So now we continue with question number 15. What you are watching is part 10. We started from part 1, giving you Expo questions. I mean, things to expect, things to look out for, questions, solutions to them, answers to them, things you should expect as a JAMB candidate writing chemistry. You already know how important chemistry is. Let's move on quickly. Question number 15. The product of the thermal decomposition of ammonium thioisonitrates are nitrogen oxide and water. Ammonia and oxide C, nitrogen and water D, nitrogen, 4 oxide and water. The answer is A. When you thermally decompose ammonium thioisonitrate, you will get nitrogen oxide and water. Okay, let's look at question number 19. We are focused on those areas that are not calculation based, because there are more aspects of chemistry that you can solve with basic understanding without calculator than there are few calculation ones. Number 19. Which of the following gases will rekindle a brightly splint? Which of the following gases will rekindle a brightly splint? That is maybe lighter. A, sodium dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. B, nitrogen oxide. C, that is NO2, NO, N2O, then Cl2. The answer simply is C. Nitrogen oxide rekindles a brightly glowing splinter, but extinguishes a feebly glowing one which is not hot enough to decompose the gas to liberate oxygen. Number 20. The shape of ammonia molecule is dash. The shape, you know organic chemistry now. The shape of ammonia molecule is dash. A, trigonal planar. B, octahedral. C, square planar. D, tetrahedral. The answer, organic ammonia molecule is trigonal planar. The ammonia molecule has a trigonal pyramidal shape with 3 halogen atoms and an unshared pair of electrons attached to the nitrogen atom. It is a polar molecule and is highly associated because of its strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay? Are you following? By the way, I will encourage you, beyond watching this part 10, after you have watched this particular part 10, go over from and start watching from part 1. We have done videos part 1, part 2. I've been consistently giving you videos here on chemistry. If you need me to give you a link to all the videos we have done on chemistry, you want me to give you the link to all of them, just ask me. Just tell me, please give me the link. Please give me the link to all the videos we have done on chemistry. I could give them to you. Also, we have done quite a lot of videos on physics, on biology, on use of English, on the JAMB novel. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos we have done on those subjects, right? You can also ask me and I could give it to you. Just mention the name of the subject and ask me to give you the link to all the videos we have done. These are the materials that will prepare you. Remember, what you are preparing is for an important external exam. This one is not you and your class teacher. This one is not in your school. This one is a major national examination, and it will determine if you enter school or not. So let's give it superior attention. Let's look at this question on bonding. Chromatography is used to separate components of mixture which differ in the rate of dash. Chromatography is used to separate components of mixture which differ in the rate of dash. A, diffusion. B, migration. C, reaction. D, sedimentation. Chromatography is used to separate components of mixture which differ in the rate of A, diffusion. B, migration. C, reaction. D, sedimentation. The answer is migration, and I will explain. Let me explain. Chromatography is a method of separating mixtures by using a moving solvent on filter paper. It is a laboratory technique for the separation of mixtures. The mixture is dissolved in a liquid called the mobile phase which carries it through a system on which is fixed a material called the stationary phase. Okay, let's move on. Question number 23. Deliquescent substances are also that. I think I've explained this in one of the videos we did on chemistry, but I will explain it again. Deliquescent substances are called dash. A. Efflorescent. B. Deliquescent substances are also dash. A. Efflorescent. B. Anhydrous. C. Hygroscopic. D. Insoluble. Deliquescent substances, the answer, they are also hygroscopic. Let's look at it. Deliquescence is a process by which a substance absorbs moisture from the atmosphere until it dissolves in the absorbed water and forms a solution. Pay attention. Deliquescence is a process by which a substance absorbs moisture from the atmosphere until it dissolves in the absorbed water and forms a solution. Deliquescence occurs when the vapor pressure of the solution that is formed is less than the partial pressure of water vapor in the air. I hope you are learning. By the way, I encourage you to study further. Beyond watching the videos I make, I want you to stretch yourself, study further. And if you have questions, do not hesitate to ask me, right? Do not hesitate to ask, okay? Now, our goal, why we are passing through all this stress, is for you to enter school this year, not after writing JAMB next 2 years. Our goal is you will write this JAMB. I want you to claim it. You will write this JAMB once and you will see yourself in the university. You will write this JAMB once and you will gain admission. You will write this JAMB once and you will score 300 and above. There will be no obstacle on your way. You will get admission into that your preferred university. You will get admission and get that your preferred course, right? I want you to claim it. And if you claim it, let us keep working hard, because claiming it will not fall from the moon. We need to make effort. So I want you to claim it. If you claim these things I said, type "I claim it" in the comment section, and please, let's be more serious. That's why I want you to watch the other videos I've done with your pen, your paper. Be watching the videos, be preparing, read your textbook, read other materials. Get yourself 100% ready for this exam. Okay, let's move on. Are you with me? Helium is used in observation of balloons. Helium is used in observation of balloons because it is dash. Helium is used in observation of balloons because it is dash. A. Light and combustible. B. Light and non-combustible. C. Heavy and combustible. D. Heavy and non-combustible. The answer is, it is B. Helium is light and non-combustible. That means helium is not heavy. Okay? It is light and non-combustible. Helium floats because it is buoyant. The molecules of helium are lighter than nitrogen and oxygen molecules of our atmosphere, and so they rise above it. Okay? Let's look at question number 28. We are focused on those ones that in this video, we are focused on the questions that are not calculation based. Later, we could handle the calculation. Okay? Question 28. Which of the following types of bonding does not involve the formation of new substances? Which of the following types of bonding does not involve the formation? You know, when bonding occurs, new substances are often formed. But which of the following types of bonding does not involve the formation of new substances? A. Metallic bonding. B. Covalent bonding. C. Coordinate bonding. D. Electrovalent bonding. The answer simply is metallic bonding. In metallic bonding, no new substances are formed. Remember that one of the reasons why preparations is important and why you are lucky for watching this video is when it comes to JAMB, you have only 120 minutes. That means you enter the JAMB hall, the system is set on for you, and you start solving, answering your question. The system is automatically set for 2 hours, 120 minutes, right? And it begins to read. The minutes begin to reduce as time is going. And then you have 180 questions scattered across 4 papers to write. You write use of English compulsory, then chemistry and the other 2 subjects to make it 4. In your use of English, you will encounter 60 questions. In chemistry, 40 questions. Biology, 40 questions. Physics or maths, 40 questions. Right? So 40, 40, 40, and 60. Right? And there will be no time. That is why you need these videos I'm making. That's why I keep myself stressed every day, Monday to Sunday, dropping videos back to back for you. I pray it will not be a waste. If the videos I'm making are helpful to you, please let me know. If the videos I'm making help you, let me know. Sometimes I'm feeling you people don't take it seriously, but I stress a lot. I put myself under a lot of stress to make these videos. If the videos I'm making are helpful, let me know. Tell me that they are helpful, and it will encourage me to actually make more videos for you. Question number 20. Okay, in metallic bonding, the valence electrons of metal atoms are delocalized and form a sea of electrons that are free to move throughout the metal lattice. This creates a bond between the metal ion, the delocalized electrons, resulting in the characteristic properties of metal, such as conductivity, malleability, and ductility. Assignment number 1. Go over, write these things down. Write conductivity down, write malleability down, write ductility down. These are characteristics, properties of metals, and I want you to define all of them for me. Give me the definition of conductivity, then come and give me the definition of malleability, then come and give me the definition. I hope you can see 3 of them: conductivity, malleability, and ductility. Let me know the meaning in the comment section, please. Anytime I give an assignment, there is a reason for that. Go over and give me what they mean. Okay? Let's look at question number 29. Are you here? Are you still following? Are you still following? An organic compound that does not undergo a reaction with both hydrogen cyanide and hydroxylamine can be dashed. An organic, now, part of the things I encourage you to do beyond watching these videos is go over and bury your head in your textbook. That is why there's a video I made about 15 topics that JAMB will set questions from. If you need me to give you the link to that video, I'll give it to you. 15 topics where all the questions JAMB will set for this year will come from in chemistry, right? One of them is organic chemistry. Now, I need you to bury your head and study that topic very well because it comes out often. An organic compound that does not undergo a reaction with both hydrogen cyanide and hydroxylamine can be dashed. A. Akin. B. Acanal. C. Acanone. D. Acanoic acid. Of course, you already know it's C. Acanone. The addition of hydrogen cyanide to a high carbonyl group of an aldehyde or most ketones produce a cyanohydrin. When you read up your materials, you should be able to learn more about this. Sterically hindered ketones, however, don't undergo this reaction. Aldehydes and ketones react with primary amines to form a class of compound called imines. However, imines of aldehydes are relatively stable, while those of ketones are unstable. Okay? Question number 30. The substance often used for vulcanization of rubber. When your car has an issue, you go to a vulcanizer. Some people call it vulcanizer, but it's wrong. You go to a vulcanizer, right? And there's a substance they normally use to treat your tube and tire. The substance often used for vulcanization of rubber is dash. A. Chlorine. B. Hydrogen peroxide. C. Sulfur. D. Tetraoxo sulfate 6 acid. The answer is C. Sulfur. Vulcanization of rubber, sulfur is often used. Vulcanization of rubber is among the several uses of sulfur. Please don't forget it. Write it somewhere at the back of your memory. Okay? That's question 30. Let's look at question number 31. The chlorinated alkane often used industrially to remove grease is dash. The chlorinated alkane often used industrially to remove grease is dash. A. Tetrachloromethane. B. Methane. C. Trichloromethane. D. Dichloromethane. I won't tell you the answer in this video. It's an assignment. Tell me the answer. Or in part 11, we will continue from question 31 to answer. In part 11, we will continue from question 31 to answer our questions. Now, if you want me to give you access to other videos I've done, remember to ask me for it. To receive free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question from me, what you need to do are 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. Click on join. You can see the option. Don't pretend as if you don't see it. Just go ahead, click on join. Join. See it as an investment. It's something you need. It's something you need. When you join, you can ask me direct questions. There are certain things I don't post generally, but only those who join will be able to see it. So go ahead and join our YouTube channel. Number two, when you join, like this video, click on like. When you like this video, number 3, share this video, click on share. Share it here on YouTube, very importantly. Then click on share again, copy the link. Post the link on WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Telegram channels, all the platforms where other JAMB candidates are. When you have done this thing, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe. You can see the button. Click on subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Number 1, as I said, is compulsory. Join. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, share this video. Number 4, subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you have done these things, come under the comment of this video and type, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send you those materials. Remember the assignment I gave you. Click on it, solve the assignment, and submit it in the comment section. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it now and watch.